In today's video, I'm going to be getting ready in my hotel room. I've been away for 2 weeks, so everything that you see in this video is a true ride or die. I'm just going to start off by saying that this video is partially sponsored by Function of Beauty, which is why I'm going to be starting off with washing my hair. If you guys don't know what Function of Beauty is, it is basically a brand that custom caters to your hair needs and creates fully customized shampoo and conditioner specifically for you. For my personalized one, I wanted it to fix split ends and hydrate as much as possible, and they definitely delivered to a point where I'm getting comments on my Instagram photos being like, why does your hair look so silky? What is going on? Did you get a treatment? Is this your new tape-ins? Seriously have noticed a difference, especially with the conditioner. So you basically fill out a little questionnaire with what you want your shampoo and conditioner to do for you and what type of hair you have, and they make it specifically for you. You also get to pick the color and the scent. I picked the peach one because aesthetics, but you do get to decide what you want it to smell like as well. There's also a pump, but I just choose not to use it, obviously. And I, of course, put them in little travel containers. I don't bring the whole bottle, but they also do sell those as well, just separately. I will put a link below so you guys can get 20% off your first order so you can try it out, and all the additional information will also be down below. But I really appreciate Function of Beauty for sponsoring this video, and let's move on to the rest of it. So to start off my face, I'm just taking my Mineral 89 by Vichy. It is just a hyaluronic acid serum, so I'm just going to be applying it everywhere because my skin has been so jet lagged from all the flying around, so I definitely need as much hydration as I could possibly get. And then I also have the mini eye one, so I'm going to be applying it under my eyes as well. I always take this one on the plane just because it feels so nice and so cooling, and the caffeine in it just makes my eyes feel so much better, and instantly pretty much. For my moisturizer, I brought my Confidence in a Gel lotion by It Cosmetics just because it's the most simple moisturizer that I have and I didn't want to overload my skin. For my makeup, this is dirty. Yeah, it's been through a lot, okay? This is the end of the week too. It's definitely been through some rough times, my little brush holder, and so have my brushes really. Everything that I brought with me has been through some shit. But for my base, I have actually just been going with a CC cream. This one it's not technically called a CC cream, but it's by Vichy. It's their new like tinted moisturizer almost. And this one is in a shade 6. I've just been using it as my foundation just because I want something light. I hate the feel of foundation on my skin on vacation, especially in hot places. So I like to just pick the lightest amount of coverage that I can in a product, and this has been it this trip. I've also been overloading on the Nudestix brown sugar baby color and just been applying it everywhere that the sun hits just to bring out my tan as much as I can and make everything look dewy and glossy. And I've barely been setting with powder. This has just been my go-to. Just that foundation and then this product together have just been a magical, beautiful combo. Don't mistake this with contour because it's just really not. It's a product in its own league. It's just a dewy bronzer product. Also just patting on a little bit of the NARS liquid highlighter and then just setting everything that tends to crease the most, like my under eyes and my smile lines, and that's basically it. I want the rest of my face to be as dewy as possible. For my brow products, I actually have left pretty much all of them except this one. I wanted to give this a nice fair test, and this is the Dior brow gel, and I've been liking it a lot, except I noticed that it doesn't really keep my eyebrow hairs stuck up as long as I want it to, but the color definitely lasts. For my palette, surprise, surprise, I brought my NARS Deep Skin palette, and I'm going to be using the shimmery shades all over. I have literally used every shade of this palette 100 million times on this trip. This has definitely become my go-to everyday palette, as if it wasn't already, just because it has everything you really need. All the shimmery shades can double up as highlighters, and it's one of the most like versatile everyday palettes. Just applying a little bit of shimmer under my eyes and then moving on. This is a Nudestix eye pencil in the shade Chocolate, and I'm just going to be smudging it along my lower lash line. And any and all brown kohl eyeliner would work for this, and most days I was too lazy for even this. But it is a nice shade to use to like sculpt your eyes. And then for my mascara, I just brought my Tarte tarteist mascara, and it gets a little bit clumpy throughout the week, I'm not gonna lie. When I first opened it, it's prime, and then it gets a little dry. Once again, okay, I use a lot of Nudestix, alright? This one is in the shade Poppy Girl. They're all over cheek and lip color, and I'm just gonna be smudging it. And then of course my bronzer, which is the Dior in the shade 02. Next, I'm just gonna blow dry my hair using some weak hotel hair dryer. As always, I do not bring my own hair dryer, and I probably should, but especially in Europe, I just don't like blowing out all my hair tools by plugging them into European plugs, and I've done that so many times that I've learned my lesson. And that is it. That's my little get ready with me in a hotel. I hope you guys liked it. I worked really hard on it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.